In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sankey chart in Tableau. Whether you're a data analyst or just love visualizing complex data, the Sankey chart is a fantastic tool to visualize flows and relationships between two or more categories. In this guide, we'll walk through setting up a Sankey chart step by step, so you can effectively convey the flow of information in an impactful way. First, you need to start by launching Tableau on your desktop or laptop. If you haven't installed Tableau yet, make sure to download and install it from the official Tableau website. Once you have Tableau up and running, you'll be ready to dive into the worksheet where all the exciting action takes place. Now, let's open a new worksheet. This is where you'll create your Sankey chart and start building your visualization. Opening a worksheet is like getting a blank canvas ready to paint your data picture. Here, you will connect your data source and outline your visualization objectives. Speaking of data, the next step involves connecting to your data source. Go ahead and load your data into Tableau. You can use various data sources like Excel, CSV, or even connect directly to your database. Once connected, you'll see your data fields displayed, ready to be dragged and dropped. After your data is loaded, it's time to add dimensions. Dimensions are the categories or qualitative data points around which you want to see the flow. Drag the dimensions that are most relevant to your analysis, like category, region, or segment, and drop them into the level encoding box. These dimensions form the nodes in your Sankey diagram, which represent different stages or categories the users will see. Next, add a measure to your visualization. Measures in Tableau are typically quantitative data points, such as sales or quantity, that help to quantify the connections between the nodes. Drag your selected measure to the link encoding box. This will control the width of the flows between nodes, effectively showing the magnitude or importance of each relationship in your data. At this point, a preliminary Sankey chart will automatically generate. But don't stop there. This is where the fun begins. You can start interacting with your chart, adjusting the width of the flows for clarity, tweaking padding for better separation, and refining label placements to ensure your chart is easy to read. Removing overlapping labels is crucial as it helps to avoid clutter and makes sure your audience focuses on the data rather than struggling to read it. There you have it. You've created a Sankey chart in Tableau. Spend a moment interacting with it. Try adjusting a few settings and observe how your data changes in real time. A properly crafted Sankey chart offers a powerful way to visualize complex flows, making it easier for decision makers to understand the intricacies of your data. Keep exploring and refining your charts, and soon you'll be a pro at creating compelling data visualizations.